We live in a wireless world. From headphones to keyboards, Bluetooth devices make our lives easier. But what happens when your Bluetooth decides to throw a tantrum in Windows 11? It's frustrating, right? You're not alone. Many users experience these hiccups. Windows 11, despite its sleek interface, can sometimes stumble with Bluetooth. You might face connection drops, choppy audio, or even devices refusing to pair. Don't worry though. Most Bluetooth issues are easily fixable. Think of it like this. Just like your car needs a tune-up, sometimes your computer needs a little tech TLC to keep things running smoothly. In this article, we'll walk through some simple yet effective solutions to banish those Bluetooth blues for good. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. These simple checks often solve the problem without further ado. First, make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. Sounds obvious, right? But you'd be surprised how often this simple step is overlooked. Next, check if your Bluetooth device is discoverable. Every device has its own way of doing this, so refer to its manual if you're unsure. Also, ensure your device is within range. Bluetooth has its limits. Don't expect it to work from across the house. Finally, try disconnecting and reconnecting your device. Sometimes a fresh start is all it takes. Go to your Bluetooth settings, remove the problematic device, and then pair it again. It's like rebooting your connection. Drivers are the unsung heroes of the tech world. They act as translators between your operating system and your hardware. Outdated or corrupted Bluetooth drivers are a common culprit for connectivity issues. Thankfully, updating your drivers is usually a straightforward process. Open the device manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Look for Bluetooth and expand the category. Right-click on your Bluetooth adapter and select Update Driver. Windows will automatically search for the latest drivers. If it finds any, follow the on-screen instructions to install them. If not, you might need to manually download the drivers from your device manufacturer's website. If basic troubleshooting and driver updates haven't done the trick, don't despair. There are a few more advanced options up our sleeve. One solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Windows 11 has built-in tools to diagnose and fix common problems. To access it, go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Select Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. It will scan your system for issues and suggest potential fixes. Another option is to reset your Bluetooth settings. This will erase all paired devices and revert Bluetooth to its default configuration. It's a more drastic step, but it can be effective if other methods fail. You'll find the reset option in your Bluetooth and devices settings. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting options and your Bluetooth is still acting up, don't throw in the towel just yet. There are still avenues to explore. One option is to check for system updates. Microsoft regularly releases updates that address bugs and improve compatibility. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates might just be the solution you've been searching for. If nothing else works, it might be time to seek professional help. Contact Microsoft support or a qualified technician who can diagnose and resolve any underlying hardware or software issues. They have the expertise and tools to tackle even the most stubborn Bluetooth problems. Bluetooth issues can be a real pain, but with a little patience and the right know-how, you can overcome these hurdles and get back to enjoying your wireless devices. Remember to start with the basics, then delve deeper into driver updates and advanced troubleshooting if needed. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to tackle any Bluetooth glitch that comes your way. So go ahead, reconnect with confidence, and embrace the freedom of wireless connectivity.